Find the sixth term of the GP. 2, 6, 8. Solution. The nth term of a GP is Tn equals AR raised to the power n minus 1, where A is the first term, R is the common ratio, n is the number of terms, then minus 1. From this GP, A is equal to 2, R in a GP is gotten by either T2 over T1, which is also equals T3 over T2. Therefore, R using T2 over T1, which is 6 over 2, will have 3. So R is equal to 3. Now Tn, what is n? The sixth term. So T6 will be equal A, which is 2, times R, which is 3, n, which is 6, minus 1. T6 is equal to 2 times So T6 is equal to 2 times 2, 4, 3. That makes the sixth term to be equal 4, 8, 6. The third and fifth term of a GP are 25 and 100 respectively. Find the seventh term. Solution. The third, that is T3, and fifth term, that is T5, of a GP are 25 and 100 equals 25 equals 100. Find the seventh term, which is T7. We have to find T7. And what's the formula for finding T7? T7 is AR n minus 1. Now, we don't know A, we don't know R, but we are given the third term as 25, the fifth term as 100. So let's equate this with the nth term of a GP, which is AR raised to the power n minus 1, AR raised to the power n minus 1. Now, from T3, which is 25 is equal to AR raised to the power, we'll have 25 equals AR, here T3, n is 3, 3 minus 1, which is 25 equals AR squared. Let's call this equation 1. Now from T5, which is 100, equals AR 5 minus 1. That means 100 is equal to AR raised to the power 4. Let's call this equation 2. We have equation 1, 25 equals AR squared. Equation 2, 100 equals AR raised to the power 4. Now let's divide equation 2 by 1. And equation 2 is 100 equals AR 4 divided by equation 1, which is 25 equals AR squared over AR squared. Have 4 to be equals A cancel A, R raised to the power 4 divided by R raised to the power 2. That gives me R raised to the power 2. Therefore, R is equal to 2. If R is equals to 2. Let's find A. Let's find A. So from equation 1, substitute R equals to 2. And what's equation 1? Equation 1 is 25 equals AR squared. 25 equals AR squared. So 25 will be A times R, which is 2 squared. So 25 will be equals A times 4. 4A is equals to 25. That means A is equals to 25 over 4. Now we've gotten R, we've gotten A, we can now find T7. Therefore, T7 will be equal to A, which is 25 over 4 times R, which is 2, n minus 1, which is 7 minus 1. So T7 is equals 25 over 4 times 2 raised to the power 6. So T7 will be equals 25 over 4 times, that's 64. T7 will now be 64 divided by 4. That is 25 times 16, which is 400.